All right, so we're back again. Now, the first thing I want to think about is I've got a fraction within a fraction. This is a mess. I need to at least try to see if I can combine these two in the numerator. All right, so what I'm going to do then is multiply the 1 by x minus 1 over x minus 1, because that'll be my common denominator. Okay, now when I add these together, this is my numerator here, so I've got 1 plus, this is going to be 1x minus 1, and then I've got this common denominator, x minus 1, there it is, and now I'm just recopying what I had in the denominator here. Okay, so real quick, I've gotten rid of the 1 and the 1, those cancel, so I've just got x, and then I've got x minus 1. All right, so here, I still had to divide by 1 over x minus 1. What I do instead is I multiply by the reciprocal. So, here I have divided by 1 over x minus 1. Here I have multiply by x minus 1 over 1, right? That's the same thing, multiplying by the reciprocal. And now I can very easily do some canceling, right? I can cancel the x minus 1 here with the x minus 1 there. And what am I left with? Just x. And that's what I was looking to come up with, right? When I put one function into the other as a composite. I'm not going to do the other one, but you get the same exact thing. You also get x when I put this function here where the x is there. That's even a little bit easier to do. Okay, so I just showed that this is that this works right here using number 3 from the definition. This is 1 to 1. Okay, so now I would just like you to do some problems from section 2.7. It's not really too many. Odds only, 17 to 33, and then 41 to 51. And I should see you on Monday if all goes well.